Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, ensure that you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely disassembling your ThinkPad E14 without causing any damage. Begin by removing the bottom cover. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the back of the laptop. Remember, there are often hidden screws underneath the rubber feet, so check carefully. As you remove each screw, place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, use the spudger to carefully pry open the bottom cover. Work your way around the edges to avoid breaking any clips. If you find it difficult, ensure that you have removed all screws, and don't force it open. This is a delicate process, and patience is key. Next, locate the motherboard. It's usually situated in the center of the laptop. To access it, you may need to disconnect the battery and various cables. Gently detach the battery by unscrewing it and unplugging it from the motherboard. Always remember to wear your anti-static wrist strap to prevent electrostatic discharge that can harm sensitive components. Once the battery is disconnected, proceed to remove any cables attached to the motherboard, including the display and keyboard connectors. Make a note of where each cable connects for easy reassembly. Now, focus on the screws securing the motherboard. Carefully unscrew them with your Phillips screwdriver. As you do this, keep track of the screw sizes and locations, as they may vary. If you're unsure, take a picture for reference. After removing the screws, gently lift the motherboard from its compartment. Inspect it for any visible damage, such as burnt components or broken traces. If you notice any issues, this might be the time to consider professional diagnosis without obligation. If you're equipped to proceed with repairs, use isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush to clean the motherboard, removing any dust or debris. This can improve performance and reliability. In case you find soldering necessary, ensure you have a soldering iron and solder on hand, as well as some flux to make the job easier. Once you've completed any necessary repairs, carefully place the motherboard back into its original position. Reconnect all cables and ensure each connection is secure. Remember to reconnect the battery last. As you reassemble the laptop, remember to put back all screws in their respective places. If you feel overwhelmed or lack specific tools, don't forget we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service is designed for your convenience, eliminating the need for calls or travel. Plus, you will receive a quote before any repair starts, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. Finally, after reassembling the laptop, power it on to test functionality. If it works, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your ThinkPad E14 motherboard. If it doesn't, consider reaching out for help, as sometimes professional assistance is the best route. This way, you can ensure your device operates optimally again without the hassle of troubleshooting. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.